Okay, so we've got Danger Smurf, and we want to make something like this, a cutout. So to do that, we basically select the outside of Danger Smurf. If you find you don't have enough space, you can transform him using the transform tools, scale. They can be locked or unlocked. Locked means this one goes separately, right? And unlocked. Okay, so locked means they go together. So I can make it smaller. See how it gets smaller or bigger. Then you press enter when you're at the side you want. Okay. Scale. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an edge selection. Select the transparency. I am going to invert it. I can go to select invert, or I can use Control I. Okay, which is much faster. So I Control I, and now this is selected. Now I'm going to do another select after that's done, which is border. And I'm going to do a border selection of 2 pixels. Now I'm going to cut everything. I could use Edit or Control X. Okay, again, I'm going to use Control X. Control X to cut that. Once that's cut, I can use a fill bucket. Check. See? Now Control I to invert what I've selected. And I'm going to cut it again. Control X. That's cut. Okay? And there we go. We have the basic outline. Next, we use the eraser to just basically make some quick snips. Oopsie, I better Control I to invert what I've selected. I just go along the edges and start making some snips. And once we've got that snipped out, then I'm going to add an effect, a filter. Filter, distorts, ripple. And there, I've got it up at 30, a period of 33, amplitude of 4, and a phase shift of 210. How do I do that? I just sort of play around with it until I see one that I like. That looks good too, eh? Maybe we'll use that one. We say OK. And there we have our Smurf. Select none. And there we go. That's our Smurf outline. Good, done.